wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best LED strip lights. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The dotstone music can glow consistently, flash, fade, or dance to the beat of your favorite tunes in 16 different colors. Its included remote is easy to use and lets you adjust all of the strip settings with its 24 buttons. It's available in 4 lengths and rated as IP65 waterproof. However, the remote range is very limited. At number 9, improve your home entertainment experience with the Pangton Villa TV kit. Adding some mood lighting behind your screen looks cool and can help with eye strain. The included USB adapter plugs right into most modern TVs, so there's no need to clear a spot in the power outlet. It's designed for a 40 to 60 inch TV, and the remote has a range of up to 26 feet, but the colors aren't very bright. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the warm white glow of the ledjump high power can improve visibility anywhere you need it to, inside or out. The LEDs have a particularly high intensity, but they're still energy efficient and can last a long time, even if you leave them on often. It's also available in other colors and the brightness is even throughout. However, the adhesive is not very strong. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for LED strip lights, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, at under $10 for a 16-foot roll, the Lighting Ever Flexible is a budget-friendly option that will work well for anyone who just needs plain white light. You can cut and link strips together to perfectly fit the length of any space. It has a lifespan of over 50,000 hours and doesn't get too hot, but note that a power adapter is not included. Moving up our list to number 6. The Philips Hue Lightstrip Plus has a lot of useful features, from different shades of daylight to compatibility with Alexa and Google Home, and it works well alongside other Philips Hue lights too. But at over $80 for 6 feet, it's out of most consumers' price range. It syncs with music and movies, and 3-foot extensions are also available. However, a hub is not included. Halfway up our list at number 5. If you're a fan of high-tech features but don't have the fastest internet speeds, the topmax Bluetooth might be the solution. These lights can connect to a smartphone app available on both iOS and Android without using Wi-Fi at all. The flexible ribbon can curve and bend, and it offers 16 levels of brightness, along with intuitive controls. At number 4, whether you're setting the mood for a party, decorating for the holidays, or just trying to find your way around in the dark, you'll find the setting you need with the rxment wireless. Download the app and you can control all the features from any distance. It can be cut safely and comes with a programmable timer. It's easy to install too. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, with a durable design and a nearly 33-foot length, the wentop safety is a good value. It comes with a power adapter that has slots for 3 separate strips, which allows you to not only plug them all into a single outlet, but control them with one remote as well. The mounting adhesive withstands heat and it lets you mix your own colors. A Wi-Fi controlled version is also available. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for LED strip lights, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the small but powerful Amir USB can be used for a wide variety of purposes, from lighting up the back of a computer or TV screen to decorating a desk or shelf with glowing color. And since it's waterproof, you can use it in the bathroom or take it outside. It's made from a durable silicone material and includes a remote control. It can flash or fade between colors. And coming in at number 1 on our list, whether you prefer a remote or a smartphone, the nexlux RGB kit has you covered. With a simple Wi-Fi connection, you can control everything from color to brightness and even set a timer for when you want the lights to turn on and off. This one works with Alexa and Google Home and can sync up with music. It's available in black and white. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for LED strip lights, or simply click beneath this video.